And boom, here we are, people. Another car show. This time we're out in Brillion. I believe I've seen this car at the other car shows too. It's a very nice example. TR6. You can see that there's from here to here, there's many different varieties of vehicles. This is the first time I've been out here. It's apparently the third annual. The Oscar Mayer Wienermobile is supposed to be here, but it is not here yet. Look at this thing. And is this right? In some people's eyes, this is right. Some people maybe not. But that's the diversity of going to all these car shows where you see it's different. What do we got here? Then this little Jeep right here, this thing looks like just a hoot. Bet you this little baby moves. Look at this thing. Nice fat rims on it. Look there. What's hiding underneath there? I think that's like a 350 or something. Then you look across the way here. Got a really nice truck. A 50 Chevy 3500 half ton. Very nice clean example. Look at that, red on red. It's definitely been redone. It doesn't have that old school, the old smell. Like the old interiors have a smell to them. If you have smell-o-vision, you would know what I'm talking about. Here's a nice example. It is got what's called the his and hers shifter, the dual gate. And then as you can see right next to this, then there's a Jeep right here, next to a Trans Am. Next to, you want to listen to Vanilla Ice? There you go, there's a drop-top Mustang. Let's see what else is around here. Hey, look at this thing here. Bet you this baby really moves. Jesus, look at that thing. Wow. Bet you'd really be able to mow your lawn quite quick with that. Look at the size of those clutches on that thing. Jesus. I'm trying to stay away from the music for copyright, but how can you stay away from this car? Jeepers, look at this. Red on white. Hoo-wee. Bet you that white's hard to keep clean though. Nice example. I remember my parents having one of these. My mom had an automatic, my dad had a stick. That was back in the day though. Look at over here. This old school BMW. A couple of nice Gixxers right there. Look at that thing. Wow. Look at those rims. Nice burgundy interior. Sparkle steering wheel. 5-speed. So then look right across the way, literally, a nice old truck right there. To a Plymouth Barracuda. Oh, look at that. Might have to look at that one. It's very nice blue here. Oh, I did the wiper delete. I did that on my car too. Look at that. That blue is nice. Wonder what color blue this is. Sure isn't factory, that's for sure. They're from Two Rivers. Don't you mean Two Rivers? Yeah, that's what I said. Two Rivers. Here's a nice. And you know, back in the day, we used to not even care about these cars. We just wanted the biggest, baddest. Nice hearse shifter. See, now I don't know why nobody really likes these models. I mean, these are a nice model, but they get so frowned upon because it's just a couple years older, where these are the more desirable ones. Rocking the bench seat. Yep. So if you have smell-o-vision, you can smell that that interior is original. Next to a Tri-Fi Chevy. I seen this one this morning at the gas station. I was over there right before breakfast. And then you have a nice sled over there. Oh, Riviera. To the ground. Very original. 63. That's a pretty cool, yeah. Alright, let's see what else is around. I gotta turn this off. Now, what do we have here? This blue car. What is this blue car? A Rover? A Rover? Land Rover? Rover? Look at this thing. I can't say as if I've ever seen one of these. Look at this thing. A Rover, eh? Crazy. Oh yeah, you can definitely smell that that is an original car there. Rolling in my 5.0 so my hair can blow. And those of you who know me know I don't have hair. Nice older vet right there. Escalade. Alright peeps, I think I'm going to be out here. Wait for the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile, but I ain't got time for that shit. And this is why you never stop filming until you leave. So they have a parts area over here. So they have a parts area over here. What the heck happened to this rim? Goodness. Bet you that was a glorious event for the person. I've had that happen. I've had the wheel fall off. Not cool. And this is another reason why you don't stop filming until you leave. Sometimes it's better to see the vehicles out in the parking lot. Ford. I wonder if this is a replica. It's cool. I would totally drive that. 100%. Alright people, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Be well, my friends.